Welcome to your daily Qigong routine to increase energy levels and decrease stress. We can dive in, and we're going to start off with lymphatic shakes. So we're just going to be lightly shaking the body, bouncing up and down with our knees, allowing everything to be loose and relaxed. Allow the shoulders to come down. You can have some movement in the wrists, shaking everything up. We can go to the left side, slightly turn this way. Pay attention to your breathing. Big inhales through the nose, exhales through the mouth. We'll look over to the right side. Inhales through the nose, exhales through the mouth. We can do back and forth. All right, this next one is going to be body twist. So we're going to be turning this way, rising that left toe up, allowing our body to swing gently, bringing the arms up to slap against the body. And we'll just alternate over to the other side. Staying loose, relaxed. My head is facing the side that I'm turning over to. The foot and the ankle just rise slightly. Slight bend in the opposite knee. And my arms, my right arm is coming up here, and my left arm is hitting against my back. Loosening things up, staying loose, relaxed. All right, this next one, backstroke. Slight bend in the knees. We're going to bring the right arm up all the way and then back, and then the left arm coming up right after it. We're just going to do simultaneously doing circles like this, facing forward with our head, bend in the knees, and just gradually doing this backstroke. Opening up the chest, opening up the shoulders. Big inhales through the nose, gentle exhales. Next, we're going to do body waves with a lift. So we're going to rise up in the front with both arms and simultaneously raise up on our feet with our calves. Come all the way up. Flip around our hands and then all the way back down. We can exhale. When we get to the bottom, we'll also lift up on our calves. So again, back up, arms facing up, coming up, and then flip them around and then back down. Flipping around, back down, calves up. Coming back up to the top, calf raises, flipping around, back down, calf raises when we're at the bottom. Inhale as we're coming up, exhaling as we're coming down. Inhale on the way up, exhale on the way down. Inhale on the way up, standing tall, exhale on the way down. 3 more. Last one. All right, we're gonna meet at center. Bring our arms up, drop down arms. Light bounce in the knees. Bring the arms up to our chest area, whipping them back down gently. Inhale through the nose on the way up. Exhale on the way down. Now heart openers, alternating the arm that's on top each time. Gentle bounce in the knees, opening up the chest. Really opening that up, allowing energy to flow through it. Now, dead arms, low twist. Mainly driving with our shoulders twisting. And then our arms are staying loose, relaxed, like a rag doll. Gently slapping against the body. Opening up, loosening up the fascia. We can switch to a high twist, allow them to come up to the shoulders and chest. Staying loose, relaxed, releasing any tension here. Now we're going to bring our feet together. We're going to do circles with our hips going one way. Really trying to get to the outermost edges that we can. Opening things up. Releasing any tension in the hips. Now the other way. Okay, we'll meet at center. We're going to do a roll with our right ankle. So just going in circles with our right foot and our right ankle. Now we'll switch over to the left. Circles and rolls with our left foot and ankle. Other way. Now our wrists going towards the outsides. Now the opposite direction, inside. All right, now we're going to get started with taps. We can start tapping on our groin area, thighs. You can use a closed fist. Do it at your own intensity. About 70-75% should be good to really shake in, loosen things up, get rid of any tension. All around the thighs. Do the left thigh, right thigh, behind the knees. This is a really good area to get blood flowing. And we'll come up to our lower back. Can rise up on our back slightly. Come to the front to our stomach. We can do a stomach massage. We'll put our hands together. We'll go clockwise on our stomach. Bringing some warmth, relaxation there. A lot of people hold tension in their stomach and hold it tight. So this is helping to release that. We'll go the opposite direction. Now back to the tapping. We're going to use our right hand. Tap up that side, up to our chest, up to our left shoulder. Now down our arm, the inside. Get that elbow crease. Come all the way down. Flip it over. come back up the outside. And then we'll finish on the shoulder. Now we'll come over here, left arm on our side, work our way up to the chest, to the shoulder, down the inside, a few extra taps in the inside crease of the elbow, back down the arm, flip it over, come back up, finish on the shoulder. Now we're going to do up and down breathing. So we're going to breathe in through the nose, look up, out through the mouth, look down. We're going to do this 5 times. Last one, big inhale through the nose, big exhale through the mouth. Empty your lungs, blow it all out, hold your breath, and then neck rotations going clockwise. One more. Try to keep holding your breath if you're able to. Now the other way, counterclockwise. Breathe when you need to. We'll meet at center. We'll just do left to right, head turns. All right, now we'll meet at center. Hopefully that's released some tension for you. You're feeling pretty loose, relaxed, energy flowing. In our last one, we're gonna bring slight bend in our knees, bring our arms up into this ballerina motion, coming up, back down the center, hands facing the ground, back down. We're gonna come up on the outside, bend the knees, stand tall, and then back down the center, coming down with a bend on the outside. 3 more. Inhale on the way up. Exhale on the way down. Again on the outside. Big inhale. Exhale through the mouth on the way down. 1 more. Big inhale, standing tall. Exhaling, coming back down. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this short routine to get energy flowing, release tension in the body, and just feel a bit better physically and even mentally, emotionally. So if you enjoyed this practice, feel free to hit a like, subscribe, and yeah, feel free to check out other videos on the channel. Thank you.